The fog is rolling in, and this water's getting high. It takes a while to get here. I think when I come up tomorrow morning, I think it'll be pretty impressive. And tomorrow's gonna be a warmer day, so it's starting to get warm now. Hence the fog. You hear that nuthatch up there making a racket? That thing that sounds like clown shoes. There in this tree. It's that time of year. He's like, "Hey baby, how you doing?" And she's like, "Nah, mister, I ain't having it." I have green teal on my property. Alright. Well, that's the point, right? I get that half. I get that 2/3. I don't think I captured that on tape for you. Scared of some green teal. Oh, if last year was any indication, our water level should. We still got a ways to go here. That's gotta get up past all this. We got more weather coming in and April showers. Ducks. They nest in there. That's all nesting. I don't see you. They probably stopped wearing like orange colors. I'm backing up. Please enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow when it's sunny. I just scared them again. These are the green teal. They're in this little puddle.